Okay, so this is basically an infinite turmeric or ginger glitch. And all you need to do is save the mother rhizome, which is basically the main rhizome that the secondary rhizomes of turmeric or ginger will grow off of. And you just want to dry this for a few days and replant it indoors. If you live in a warmer climate, you could just replant these back in the soil and take all your usable crop inside. But in colder climates, you have to move it all inside. So I would separate the mother rhizomes from the secondary ones that you're going to use and just dry them out for a few days and then replant the mother rhizomes into some soil to get them started for the following season. This way, you don't have to waste any of your actually usable turmeric. You can just use these rootier, more stem roots of turmeric to regrow new plants. And if you have an abundance of these mother rhizomes, they are still pretty much turmeric, so you can use them. It just requires a little bit more processing. I hope this was helpful. If you need any more help, just leave me a comment. Have a great day.